Hello students, this is Professor DeLong in the Math Department, and I wanted to discuss with you well-defined sets. This is a concept that appears in our section on sets. I wanted to discuss it with you and make sure that the concept was totally clear. Let's get started. As we investigate sets, one concept that arises is whether or not a given set is quote-unquote well-defined. This means that it is possible to determine absolutely if a given thing is in a set or is not in a set. This may seem like a strange question to investigate, but a few examples will make the situation more clear. Sets are generally not considered well-defined if membership in the set amounts to a judgment call on the part of the reader. You'll see what I mean with these examples. Let's let B be the set of all beautiful women in the United States at this time. The question is this set well-defined? Now you may say, well, they've given us a definition for it, so I suppose it is. But remember, well-defined means that you can tell if something is in the set or not in the set. To answer this question, consider this. If I name a specific woman in the United States, can you say for certain if she is in the set or not in the set? Is, for instance, Pamela Anderson in the set B? Do you see how it depends on your opinion of Pamela Anderson? One person might say yes, another might say no. So it's not possible for us to say definitively if Pamela Anderson is in set B, and therefore set B is not well defined. Let's let set N be the set of all legal residents of the United States. Is this set well defined? To answer this question, consider this. If I name a specific person, can you say for certain if he or she is in the set or not in the set? And let's stay with the example that we used in the first one. Is Pamela Anderson in the set N? Whether or not she is a legal resident of the United States is something that can be absolutely determined through research. She either is or she is not. There is no ambiguity regarding if she is in set N. So the set N is well defined. Let's let P be the set of all purple elephants. Is this set well defined? Now remember, it's not relevant if the quality described in the set definition is sensible. If I pick out a particular thing, it either is a purple elephant or it isn't. Now that of course relies upon our agreement about what the color purple is, but let's assume that we know purple when we see it. And in that case, the set P is well defined, because if I show you something, it either is a purple elephant or it is not.